Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So I've just rewatched the video I uploaded earlier today and it's quite a lot of plastic in there. Now as a silver stacker, I don't like having too much plastic around my silver coins. I like to be able to play with the coins and really enjoy the feel of the silver. And watching that video back, there's more plastic than silver in that video. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to do another video tonight. I'm going to do 2 uploads in one night. So I'm just setting up the filming studio now. For those of you that haven't seen how I made this setup, I'll leave a link to the video in the description below so you can see. All it is a Tupperware that has been lined with some white cardboard. I've got a shower curtain there as a light diffuser, and I've got this kind of red velvet backdrop that I film on. So really easy setup, really simple, but it makes the quality look quite good when I film on there. Just put the light on here to show you. I've got an external mic as well, and then that's where the camera goes. It just goes down there, and then obviously I zoom in, and that's where I get the footage from. So really easy setup. If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel and filming your precious metal stacks, then there's really no excuse. You don't have to spend loads of money on expensive cameras or anything. I'm using my phone to record. Really easy. So anyway, I'm going to set up the camera now. I'm going to do another video and we're going to play with a bit of silver, and I'm going to talk to you about an exciting social media platform that I've just joined. So like I said, as you can see, I've got some more silver out for you to see, for you to hear. There's no plastic in this video to make up for the one that I uploaded earlier with copious amounts of plastic on it. This is how silver should be enjoyed. It shouldn't be all encapsulated, all in plastic and all the rest of it. So that's why I'm doing another video for you. So those of you that want to see proper silver in its purest form, here we go. So yeah, so the announcement I wanted to kind of do on this video is about the new social media platform that I've joined, and that is Instagram. Now up till now, the only platform I have been on is YouTube. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to go and check it out. If you've got Instagram and you like looking at pictures of gold and silver, then please do give it a follow. And I'll do my best to upload photos on there as regularly as possible. So yeah, just a quick kind of announcement to say that I'm kind of branching out and just kind of putting this channel out there. Eventually it'll be nice to have the 365 brand across all the social media accounts, but like I've said in previous videos, I find it very difficult just to keep up in the comment section on the YouTube alone. So I kind of want to take it slow. I don't want to, like I said, I don't want to turn this into like a full-time job or anything. It's a hobby, so I don't want to give myself too much stress and commitments, but I just kind of want to push it out there to show people, especially the younger generation, that look at precious metals as a boring investment, and that's what older people invest in, and it's all about crypto now. And I want to kind of show you that stacking gold and silver can be a new generation thing. It's a fun thing to do. It's a great store of wealth in my opinion. It's nice to actually hold the physical assets, and these days it's all about having apps and having your investments on the apps and things like that. And I think sometimes it's nice to actually hold your investment, to actually play around with your investment, to feel your investment, to physically actually have something in your hand is actually kind of becoming a bit old-fashioned. And I think once you purchase your first piece of silver, you'll see that it's actually really powerful and really inspiring to actually have something in your hand. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on that. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description below to the Instagram account, so that if you want to follow that, feel free to. As always, thanks very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.